In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate payment and checkout links on Whop. First things first, let's make sure you're logged in to your Whop account. This sets the stage for everything we'll be doing today. Once you're in, head over to your main navigation panel, typically on the left side of your screen, and select the dashboard. This is where you'll find all of the important functionalities that we'll need to access. Now that you're on the dashboard, look for the option labeled Checkout Link. This is a crucial step where we begin setting up our links. When you've spotted it, go ahead and click on it. Now let's move on to generating a new checkout link. To do this, find the button that says plus create checkout links and click on it. This will open a new setup window where you'll make some important decisions about how your checkout link will function. At this stage, you'll need to set the pricing for your checkout link. There are several options to choose from depending on your needs. You can designate your checkout link for use with a free offering, a one-time payment, or set up a recurring payment plan if you intend to charge customers regularly. Carefully consider which pricing option aligns best with your objectives. Once you've decided on the pricing, you'll have the opportunity to dive into advanced options. These might include setting up customized URLs, adjusting link expiration dates, or selecting specific product variants. Here, you're tailoring the checkout link to best suit your business or service requirements. Don't skip this step. These adjustments can enhance the user experience and help meet particular sales strategies. Next, you need to decide on your payment methods. Whop gives you the flexibility to choose different payment gateways that customers will use to process their transactions. It's crucial to select options that align with your client's preferences, whether it's credit cards, digital wallets, or another method entirely. Finally, it's time to put it all together. Once you've made your selections and are satisfied with your configuration, press the Create Checkout Links button. This action will generate your checkout link, all set to be shared with customers, supporting your sales or service delivery seamlessly. Just think of it as your personalized digital cash register. Remember, creating effective checkout links can play a significant role in enhancing your sales processes while offering customers a streamlined payment experience. And just like that, you've successfully created a payment and checkout link on Whop. Thanks for watching, and hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.